We're doing the legend stages right here, legend quests. Here it is. How we can play this one? What is this token? What is this? Do I have to like? Let's clear all seeds in Passion Land. What the heck is Passion Land? Where is that? Huh? This is Passion Land? Okay, first of all, let me just equip some cats first. Hold up. Hold on. Let's go to... Let me find for those OP ones. Where is it? Let me just search them. What is that? God? Is it? Yep, here it is. He's not that OP, but you know what? Let's use him, because why not? Also, let's try to use these guys, because I never use these guys. They look very OP. So yeah, let's try them out. But yeah. Let's see. Right here, this guy. That looks hella OP, dude. Let's see. What about this guy? Thunder God, Zeus Almighty. Okay, good. Now let's just go. Let's go search these ones. Alright, let's see. What is it called again? These called Craze, right? Here it is, Bahamut. What if I search Bahamut cat? Hold on. It's only one Bahamut. Okay. Alright, we're not gonna be able to use any of those. Let's go here and let's go to the weird crazy guys. Where's that area? These like tall OP guys. Okay, here it is. Okay, here they are. Nakaluga. Ultralan. You kidding me? Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, there you go. Let's also get let's go to special cabinets. Let's find here something that looks like it's OP, something like that. Okay, got a filibuster cat, yes. Let's try this one out. This looks strong. Let me see. Let's see. Super rare. And you got some good ones here. Okay, let's use the apple cat. Let's go to this max. Oh, that's a cat. Whatever that is. I don't like that. I don't like that cat. But okay, what this? I don't like it. Okay, let's just search train. There's a train cat. If I remember. Train. Yep, there it is. Express cat. Bullet train, baby. Let's go. All right, let's go. A few more cats to equip. Gotta find some dumb cats here. Where the heck am I gonna look at? Let's see which one here looks strong. This looks like another guy. This is the same guy. Oh, this is Final Form, Everbloom, and we got these crazy guys. Let's try this guy. This guy looks strong. God Emperor. Okay. All right. Yeah, I've been on this page. I've been on this equip thing for 4 minutes of the recording. Okay. Here we go. Let's go here now. Let's go to Passion Land. Oh my God! There's so much. Use that and this, cause why not? Okay, let's go. 7 years. Oh, okay. No, I like this one. What? Hey, let's go. Oh, speed train is very nice. I like speed train. Can't even see them, dude. This other guy is right here, the emperor cat. Not emperor, but the crazy big guy. I wear the golden guy, so looks too OP. Jesus. There's so much train, guys, dude. Guys, my game is actually crashing. Oh, we got material. We got material. We got material. Wait, what? Hey, we got material. We got some material. Are you kidding me? We got material. Okay. Go here right now. Let's offer. Okay, I'll do that off camera. What they know? What? Let's go. Got my total leveled up. Let's go. Level number 3. Let's go. Okay. Change. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. What the heck is my rank, dude? I have all these, but I need my rank. What the heck is my rank? Well, I'm gonna leave this guy on a hunt. And let's go continue the Passion Land. What is the legend begins? Oh. Nah. Can we already go to these? Oh, what the? What the? No. Just scary. Okay. Can we get this? I don't care. What? I wanna go to legend stages, dude. Dude, I need to speed up my. I need to speed this up, dude. Oh my gosh. I need to speed up this one. Let's go. Let's make it speed. Let's go. Alright. What is this guy gonna do, huh? Whoa, okay. Yeah, this guy can definitely beat it. Just one guy. Yep. Oh my god. Okay, this guy's OP. Sheesh. This guy's OP, man. So I'm just gonna one shot. I bet he's gonna one shot this. No, he can't. Can he? If he actually can, that would be OP. I forgot about this. I never should have used this cannon. Because it would just infinitely just start shooting like bam, 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 bam. Okay, here we go. More Passion Land. Don't have enough energy. What the heck, dude? Let's see. Yeah, how much do I need to pay? So I got 1 million, dude. Oh gosh, here we go. 10,000. I got 10,000. Okay, let's go get these sounds on. Okay, here we go. I keep putting this guy. This is a train guy. He's speeding his way through out of here. What the? Like coal? Who needs material when I got like 1 million of it? Let's go. Passion Land again. We have to like finish the whole Passion Land, right? Well, this is the premiere, luckily. Dude, this is gonna be so hard. Let's try this guy. What's this guy look like? That's him. Let's see how his attack looks like. How his attack look like? Let's see. Nice. One shot. Let's go. Crazy cat right there, dude. That crazy. I think that's a crazy one, right? Gotta be, dude. Let's just hop with the train, dude. The train needs to go. No, we're not doing fire. We're not gonna fire anything, cause. Oh, King Pig. Nah, no match for my cats, dude. I'm just infinitely putting these guys. This seems very annoying for some people, dude. How do we beat this gigantic pig thing? Oh, never mind. What prick pockets? Wait, what? Never mind. Whatever. Let's go finish Passion Land. Then we're gonna make another premiere after this. Let's see. Here we go. I kind of just want to use one cat, you know. Okay, what about this guy? Okay, this guy looks okay. Looks very strong. Yes, I don't know if yes. Okay, yeah, he's definitely gonna. We need this guy's help, dude. This guy's just like the. He just walks through speed, dude. Boink. There goes the trains. Okay, we're not gonna use the fire, dude. Unless enemies there and we're near the base. I didn't like the king. The king pig was very easy to kill earlier. How did this guy just one-shot everything? Like that guy somehow has some kind of magic power up in his like I don't know hand. Dude, Discord is making a notification. And I went crazy. I was like, dude, what is this? Let's see. User rank 4,400 only, man. Wildcat. What the? What? Here we go, baby. Let's go. What? How many? We get 7 only? Wait, what? Huh? What? I don't get how this works. What? Wait, what? What? Dude, what is that? That's very OP, dude. Okay, Churros Night. Here we go, dude. Churros Night. Let's try this out. This music is so good, dude. I like this music so much in the game, dude. This is like the best music in the game. Can I like zoom out? Okay, no, I can't. I forgot. Let's go. Oh. So funny, he doesn't even care. He doesn't even get damage, dude. This is just too OP for him, even. They're just too weak for him, dude. Okay, yeah, we definitely need these guys. This taking so long, dude. I know I'm not impatient, dude. This is so weird. Oh, wait, these train guys are more OP now. These guys, they just bang their own heads on that thing and then just bop. So I need to finish Passion Land. And when do we finish Passion Land? I do not know. But this will hopefully take fast. No. 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 I forgot to equip our OP power-ups, dude. What is this? Probably should different stages. Oh no, never mind. Wait. Never mind, let's just leave that. Okay, I don't even know what that does. But here we go. The battle begins. And you want the train cat can actually just speedrun this whole part. But it's just gonna speedrun the whole got some devil looking cats. But they're no match for these train guys. How? These train guys are too OP, dude. Can we just like okay. Alright, $19 for that gift card. What? Here we go, let's go. Tapas Desert. Let's only use this guy. Just a train. Just one of himself. Actually, no, so I just add like 1 million trains, because why not? Boink. 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 Oh, what the heck was that? Whoa. Oh, wow, that's a lot of guys. Okay. Okay, wait. How to close this real quick? Okay, there you go. We did it. Let's go. Pum padam. Start. Wait, what the heck are we? Where's this place? Wait, what? This is oh, okay, never mind. This is just okay. Here it is. Passion Island. Wait, did we clear it? So did we finish Passion Land? Is that what it means? Can we now do Legend? Let's go! Okay, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Oh god, this is very scary. Wait, what? 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 Look, I put this guy in the middle, dude. They gave us some random cats. What is this, dude? What are these cats? These look so bad. What the heck? Sorry, no offense, dude, but dude. But Butterfly thinks he can beat me though. Okay. What? I want to fight the weird black cat guy. Okay, let's go fight for something weird here. Let's see. The legend is this here? Is it here? It's cool. What's a sleeping lion? What's a sleeping lion? What the heck is this? I never did this. What? Huh? It says clear. What is a sleeping lion, dude? Huh? I bet like a boss guy would just show up like bam. Bet you big boss guy just gonna show up like what? Huh? What is going on? The heck? Okay, well I don't really care. Oh, what is glowing purple? What? What is this? Cyber. What is cyber? Oh no. I'm not gonna do that right now. Let's see. Let's see. The Rolling Dead. Huh? Unholy Tempest. The heck, dude? What is heck inside? Let's see. What is this? Oh no. We definitely can't connect. The music is like this. Oh my god, it's a cyclone. No. Trolling, you're trolling, dude. Not a cyclone. We're gonna definitely use filibuster. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Not the best, but dude. Filibuster, please do something damage like that. Come on, dude. Filibusters are hope right now. Not really, but it's so far best kind of. Yes! What? Where does this guy come from, huh? Hacks. I'm calling in. Okay. Guys, my game is crashing. Go shoot him. Oh, there you go. Okay. Let me shoot this guy in. Okay, alright. We did it. Did we kill him back for real? Oh my god, dude. How many times how many health does this guy have? 1 billion battlefield place. Not battlefield, but like base thingy. Okay. We can move all the way back here because it's just chilling this spot. The amount of filibusters you can literally spawn is just so many. I can't even click this anymore, dude. Dude. Green cats ain't doing nothing. Yes! We did it! No way. Let's go, okay. Let's click this. Wait a minute. That's weird. How can we get these? Clean Stories of Legends. Okay. You have to go down. But I'm not gonna do the Rolling Dead. Tricycle. What? Legend begins. Huh? What the heck is this? Let's try this out, I guess. Earthshaker. I want the hard level. Okay. Let's go for a hard level, dude. Let's go to here. Cat Claw Dungeon. What is this, dude? What the heck? Dude, you're ranking on now. Huh? What? I'm not gonna go here, dude. Here it is. Cat of the Cosmos, even stars burn out. What is this, huh? Wait, what? What? Chapter trees and me. What's chapter? This chapter tree. Jupiter. Chapter tree. Huh? What? This chapter tree, right? Chapter tree. What the heck? What? Boink. But look at this. This is the easiest battle cat game. I got so much points now. Look at this. It's so OP, dude. Look this. Oh my god. We even got this guy cat. I won't tell you. You gotta look here, dude. Okay, let me just close the music real quick because it's very loud. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Break it. Let's go.
Whoa.
Let's. What do you mean what happened to the tree? Oh, yeah. That's okay. Okay, look at this. You see this?
What?
Look how many that is. And look at this.
Bro. Wait, Anton, try to find filibuster and find all of that.
All my treasure. So P. I already beat him. What the heck?
He's like an outbreak.
What is this? Outbreak guy? Oh!
Come on.
Samolan. Oh, okay. He's going on an outbreak rage. Okay.
He's on an outbreak, my guy.
Let's go attack, dude.
What is the computer thing?
Oh my gosh.
Let's hear it.
Hey, kid.
I thought, can we hear it?
No, wait. Hold on. Come on, train guy. Yes. Ha 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 ha.
Wah, 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 wah.
Filibuster versus filibuster? No way.
No freaking way.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
I thought everything is trying to.
Alright, let's go. Wait. Fire. Come on. Fire. Come on, go. Shoot him. Yes. He almost destroyed it. Come on, guys. You can beat this one. This is gonna be an easy kill, right? Right? Come on, guys. You can destroy it big, guys. Oh.
Oh, it's a grandpa.
What? Oh my gosh. I'll let you hear it after, okay? After this round.
Bro,
But it's not even a grandpa guy, bro.
oh, shit.
There's a big guy cat right there.
Wait, you have Necolugas?
Oh my god, there's too many.
Whoa, what made you? You destroyed filibuster.
Boo, monkey. Say goodbye, monkey man.
Let's go.
Boink. 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 Boink.
They're like,
One
man, we might destroy you.
We did it. Thanks so much for watching this video. That was very fun. We couldn't be able to find those weird like assassin bears, but that was pretty fun. So let's go find some more soon. But yeah, goodbye.